All right, guys, so we are at a set that we put in pre-snow, and I'm going to, or I already started to, dig it up, and we're going to freshen it up. I'll show you here. So down here I had some backing on the right side of, you can see where I made that big mess. I took the spade and covered it and got the trap dug out, and it was waxed dirt, so it was still good. This is the one that I used the corn husks on, and I'm going to use a pane cover, and then I'm going to kind of make like a step down set essentially with the snowbanks beside it, and then make it real flashy, you know, expose the dirt and put on a big show. So you can see there's tracks through here. We've got a set of coyote tracks that go through here. We got all kinds of bird tracks that are going through, and then we got a Christopher track through here looking to hunt some squirrels, and Christopher track back, and then we've got some other coyotes and rabbits, and we've got some deer and stuff. So we can see that coyotes, they run between these field entrances here and then along the tree line with the creek. So he's been through here, you can see. So gonna get that set up, so I'll take you down there. All right, just had to grab my bucket, and you can see those are the corn husks that I used, and there's my hole. Forgot my drill, but I do have the auger, so we'll get that snow cleaned out of there and get it so that it looks like something's been in and out of there. And I'm gonna get that trap pulled up. I can't do this, I don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna have to turn off the camera and then come back. So Christopher's off hunting down there looking for rabbits and squirrels, so well, you will have to deal with my camera skills. So all right, guys, so I got the trap uncovered and got a pan cover on there, and then I'm gonna sift some fresh wax dirt over it and then get that hole rebaited. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, guys, so there's the remake on that. Got the wax dirt put over top of the pan. Used some of Bill Nelson's from Craig Creek. Used some of his predator bait, and we will maybe set some sort of, get some corn husks in there and kind of make it look whatever. I did use a little bit of Craig Creek's Wolfer pack. Got a little bit of lure there, and we'll try that and check back tomorrow on this one. So stay tuned.